In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, launch it and to mute the music right away, select Consent and tap on the bottom left corner. Now to adjust wallpaper settings, you can either click on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those here, or select those three lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Set as Live Wallpaper. Then hit Yes and tap on the same gear over here. Either way, after accessing all of those options and adjusting them perfectly for you, go back, click Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!